mo yun? Are you at home? Yeah. I'm done in school, Brian. Sino yun? Yung ano, yung magaling yung singer. Like, katong yung magaling sumayaw. Nun sa Facebook. Yung magaling sumayaw. You got sick? Yeah. I got sick for almost 5 days. That's why I didn't go to live. I didn't go live. My little footsie got a sick, Brian. I'm still sick, but it's okay. Oh, didn't know that. Yeah, you should know that. Hello, Ellie. Good afternoon. Pagaw lang sa takaron. Good afternoon, 5 viewers. I was at work. Oh, you got called by your supervisor, Brian. You will be terminated. You want that, Brian? You want to be kicked off at work? Why are you using cell phone while at work? If I was your supervisor, I will kick you off. I will kick you off. Good afternoon, see 7 million viewers. Yep, busy schedule. YouTube is banned. Why? Why, Kuan? Why YouTube get banned? Can't use VPN either. Why? You have VPN, Brian? Did you have VPN? Can you please boost my account? Brian, is that okay? Can you please boost my account? What do you mean boost? You set your VPN in any country, then you can watch my popular videos, then watch the ads on my videos, my popular videos, so that my account will get boosted. Si Taka nagyaw yun bihanan eh. Silang sa nyo kung dito, Taka nagyaw-yaw. You boost my account, please. Siya sa kung dito, sige Taka nagyaw-yaw. Nakatok naman akong tita. No, it's for surprising any fireworks. Okay. Good afternoon, 6 million viewers. Okay. Give me a thumbs up. Ellie. Ay, Crispy. Saka na. Poros $1 imong kachat, ma'am. You never came to deal which I mean. Because I don't know how to make it. Brian, I don't know how to make it. Poros